Hello, happy Saturday to you. Let me unbury my palette again. I am down a light. Don't. If you could tell, I still haven't cleaned my desk off. My umbrella light quit and I don't have a light bulb for it, so I'm using Morphe Fierce by Nature. And I'm going to start with this one. I I'm using a ring light. Oh Lord, brush. There you are. Okay. So how's your weekend going? I'm just busy with Voldemort. Can't wait till I'm done. Bless you, baby. My cats are having such bad allergies right now. Oh, I think, yeah, I need to give my girl her seizure meds, so I'll be right back. Okay, medicine given. She was in her little house, and sometimes, you know, she doesn't want to come out, and all I have to do is sing really horribly, and she comes right out. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. She does not like my singing. Yeah. Start at the outer corner. It's just funny too. The other cats, well, yeah, occasionally they'll, you know, get in my bed when I'm not there. But she never gets in my bed unless it's, you know, at night and I'm in there. It's just funny. She is kind of a loner though. Very feisty though. She loves to beat up her younger, bigger brother. That is her good time. She's so hilarious. Okay, where'd I put the, okay, it was a black brush, right? Yeah. Okay, this one. I love this palette. Just looking at it, I just love it. I've been thinking I'd like to go to TJ Maxx again, but I don't need to. I've got so many palettes. But I'd love to see if they have Morphe there. That's where I've been getting all my Morphe lately, and I'm just in love with all of them. Okay, let's see if I can. Okay, now I'm gonna go back into the first one, the orange, and just put a little bit more. I want to go a little bit higher with it. Okay. Maybelline Tattoo Studio Emerald Lights. I just love this one. Lorella Liner Shadow. My eyelashes on this eye always get in the way. It's annoying. The liner gets caught up in it. Okay, Maybelline Firework Mascara. And I'll be back. Okay, Revolution Super Serum Foundation F2. Get the hair out of the way. Okay, I will be back. Okay, I'm using Beauty Concepts blush, and I'm using this one. I decided I just wanted to do blush and highlight today, no contour and all that. I had sweet dreams about my baby twin today. I was so happy to finally have one. Okay, I'll be back. Aspen highlight, Frostbite. Okay, Morphe, Fierce by Nature. Lorella Liner Shadow, Top Lash Line Liner. e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. Beauty Concepts Blush, used the middle one. Wet n Wild Coral Corruption Matte Liquid Catsuit. That's a whole lot of name. Aspen highlight. Frostbite for brow and cheek. Maybelline Tattoo Studio Emerald Lights for lower lash line. Revolution Super Serum F2 Foundation. Maybelline Firework Mascara. Hold, please. All right, here is your Saturday night makeup look. Here come the itchies. Tomorrow, I don't know. It just depends, I guess, on how busy I get with Voldemort. I'm hoping to be done, but when I am done, I need to repaint that wall, and work on going through everything in there and trying to figure out what the heck I'm going to do with the bed in there. The brand new bed. So, we'll see. So have a wonderful rest of your weekend, and hopefully I shall see you soon. Bye.